Didn't I tell you that I was going to be back with some easy recipes that you and I can make together? Yes, I always keep my promises. Today happens to be a perfect occasion for me because I have a dinner party, if you call it like that, tonight, and I did offer to bring dessert. So I think I have found the perfect recipe to try. Literally 4 ingredients. Now it better be tasty because it looks tasty, it looks easy, but you know, with the internet we never really know. So this is the recipe. That looks good. Yeah. Only 4, that's what I'm seeing here. Perfect. I mean, look. I'm not going to comment on that, but her reaction doesn't tell me anything. But what matters is that she does show where she found that recipe from a woman called Georgia Payno. Now, I did go through the comments and I found someone who kindly put the ingredients and also explained how to make this 2-minute original recipe that's supposed to be cooked in the microwave into an oven. Because my bananas were not that ripe, I might have found a little solution. Yes, I have been putting them in the sun since yesterday. Absolutely. I did triple the portions, and that's why we have 3 bananas, 3 eggs, and I will adjust as we go for these ones. To preheat the oven, I love that she put Celsius, so 175 degrees. Welcome to Paris. Is that gonna work if I put pizza setting? Yeah, I'll put pizza setting at 175. Let's get started and let's see how long it actually takes. It is right now 12:35. Oh, this one is definitely right. Now I'm gonna have to smash them. Out of the 2 minutes, it's already 37. It's taking me 2 minutes just to smash those bananas. Maybe it's me, I don't have the right technique. Is it my fault? Can only be my fault. Alina, it's actually going to be an exercise, who knew? It's getting there. Would it be easier with a whisk? So now, the eggs. Perfect. Now, for the portion of the 2 tablespoons of cacao powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, I'm going to be using this one so I can tell you exactly how much it costed me, because I know the price per kilo of absolutely everything I buy. Tablespoon! It says on it! Isn't that perfect? So I need 6 of those of cacao powder. It looks so beautiful. Unsweetened, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is so practical. I bought this very cheap. Don't you think I'm gonna have like some expensive gear or something like that? No, not at the moment, it's not possible. So baking powder in French, we call it levure chimique. And it's so cheap in France and it is so incredible. There is no way you can not get exactly what you want with yeast in France. Since we need 1 teaspoon and it's times 3, we need 3 teaspoons. Perfect! It says teaspoon on it. This is my best investment. Like $1 or something like that. And now, here you need to be very focused. 1, 2, 3. Let's mix all this. Voila, typical Elena, not looking at what I'm doing. Look, voila. Elena, gentle. I mean, that looks good already. This does not take 2 minutes. If you want to make sure you have the right measurements and everything, I'm sorry, but it does not take 2 minutes. How long has it been already? Are you joking? 11 minutes. Elena, it's time to speed up. Why am I literally on my knees? Just so you can have a better angle? No, I don't think so. It better be tasty because how am I going to explain that to all of my friends? That I'm bringing dessert and it's not tasty? No, I'm not stupid. You really thought that I was going to take the risk? Absolutely not. It does look stunning. I did change a little bit of settings on my camera because somehow, I don't know, we couldn't see anything. What I was thinking, because obviously, very dirty, Elena. This is the whole point, right? I'll wash it. Obviously I will. Because I don't want to take a chance that it's not going to be good for everyone. I'm going to do it in these ones. So I don't think I'll put it for 30 minutes in this case. It's either you can put it in something kind of like that or like this. So I can actually try before I bring that to everyone. And I'm going to divide it approximately. Because once I've tried one side, it's going to tell me if it works for everything else. It does, but it's never going to stain. I will have to. Obviously, depending on what you're using, the more things you have, the easier it is. Now, we did say we're gonna keep it real, and this is how it's looking like for me. Actually, one trick to make it stick, some water. Now that it is a little bit wet, hopefully it should stick a little bit more. Well, don't listen to me. We'll just hope that it will work once I put everything in. This is taking way too much time. Please tell me it's gonna be good. I am so worried. Elena, no! Voila, I knew it. It couldn't just go as planned. Oh, I am unbearable. A lot more work than I thought. But it is staying inside. Let's not make the mistake twice. This is really upsetting me. I will definitely put it in a big one next time, because this is such a waste of time. We are getting there. I had the perfect amount of baking paper. How can I be so good? Oh! No, man, I'm doing it on purpose or what? No, enough now. Let's be honest, I am definitely better at cooking than baking. That is a fact. Unbearable. It better rise, because otherwise it's cheap little bites. Alright, let's try. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It could actually be excellent. But you know something that I would enjoy even more? Adding a little bit of salt on top. Am I gonna ruin everything? Perhaps. Just a little tiny. Maybe I'm ruining everything. And then coconut. I know it's not the original recipe, but I want them a little bit more fancy and it's not too difficult. We don't need to count that. It's just my dressing. Some people might put some other things. I want to put some coconut. Elena, please tell me that it looks appealing to you. Be kind. All right. And now I want to put like 12 minutes. I have to admit I'm quite disappointed with my organization, but today is my first time cooking, filming, following recipes. I'm not the best at doing that. I have to admit I like to do my own little measurements all at once in this little kitchen here. Bear with me. I hope it's going to turn out to be how I need it to turn out to be, because otherwise I'm going to have to make another dessert. If I have ruined everything by adding a little bit of salt, Elena, I'm gonna clean, which is part of the timing as well. Do I even know what I'm doing? It's on pizza setting. If I see it rise, I'll know I'm on the right path. It has been 5 minutes and 10 seconds. I'm done cleaning. Look at that. I'm quite proud of myself. Okay, yes, I just need to wipe and put the rest into the dishwasher, but still, I call it efficiency. Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing? Are they rising? Yes, indeed they are. Now, what I do find interesting with those recipes that we found on the internet is that you never really know what you're gonna get. From that one video, look at the comments. I just made this recipe and it's amazing. I doubled the recipe and baked it in the oven at 180 degrees. Is it finished? It's not cooked. No. 12 minutes is not enough. So I was saying, and baked it in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Someone else said, I tried it out and it was so bad. I put sweetener in it, but it wasn't good. Super. But then you have someone saying, this is beyond amazing. Made it today in less than 5 minutes totally, and really couldn't believe how fast, simple and tasty. Thank you. So excuse me, but what am I supposed to think out of those comments? Obviously, I have to try it out for myself. Someone said it was dry AF. Someone else said the attempt was failure. My friend, it better not be failure for me. Although, if it is, I know it's mostly my fault because I didn't follow exactly everything. Well, firstly, if it works. But I promise you, if it doesn't work, that it is the last time I'm doing it that way. I'll try my best. Maybe I don't make the promise. I'll see. I need to bring the dessert tonight no matter what, so if it's not that, I need to go grocery shopping again. I'm gonna plant something in. Oh, it's completely clean. I did change the setting to like 4D hot air. Hot air, Elena. So let's say in total basically 15-17 minutes. Haha, it's super hot. Obviously it just came out. I want to see how it tastes like. Should I wait? I'm not patient at all. I know I'm supposed to be waiting, but I'm not gonna wait that it cools down. It's a little bit hot. I mean, excuse me, but whoever said it was dry, it doesn't look dry to me. Look at this moist, beautiful dark chocolate. No, you're joking. You're joking. Mais non, mais this is amazing. This is like the most perfect, like, oh, it's crispy at the bottom. And then it's like a beautiful moist, like a bit of a sponge cake. No flour, I just realized now. Well, maybe it is the levure chimique from France. Wow. Wow. Bon, it's dark chocolate and my bananas were not super ripe, so it's not super sweet. What I'm gonna do for people tonight, because I assume that people will want a bit more sweet than that for dessert, I'll glaze a little bit of like honey or something like that on top. This is honestly one of the best recipes ever. For someone like me who always finds a way to ruin anything that I bake, that was just 4 ingredients, plus my little coconut on top, but we don't count out, it's just me and my little pleasure. Here, there's no coconut. It's not possible. Why on earth would you use flour after that? Oh, wow. So, Madame, let me find your name again. Madame Georgia Peno, you are a genius. You are excellent. We need people like you. Thank you so much. Oh, my friend. This is like the healthy version. I am shocked. This was not a fail. You really thought I was gonna fail, didn't you? Eh no! Eh no! Am I not looking like a professional? Yes, I am. Indeed, you can tell me. Bon, they are 10 right now. Yes, they were 12. You do the calculation. Yes, okay, I might have eaten 2. I'll be honest with my friends tonight. If they want my portion, they can. I will glaze this with some honey. It's gonna be delicious. And, excuse me, but this looks pretty amazing to be bringing home to my friends. I hope they're never gonna watch this video, though. This is how much it costed me in total, and this is how long it took me. Easy 10 out of 10 when it comes to the budget, because it is one of the cheapest things and we don't need flour, which is insane. Ease, wow, it is very easy if you decide to just put it in one pot. It's honestly one of the easiest things I've ever made. It's just somehow I always find a way to make things more complicated than they need to be. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. And then taste, I would say an 8 out of 10, and it's mostly because my bananas were not sweet enough. Other than that, absolutely amazing. Texture, composure, whatever you call it. Amazing. Amazing. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you had a little bit of fun. Excuse me for the chaos. I will see you very soon for an amazing recipe again that I have just bumped into. My friends. Hey, we're cooking together, so don't forget, you need to tell me how it turned out for you as well. Don't forget. Bye-bye.